Vaseline for bigger breath. Well, it actually works for some people. So Vaseline can actually make your breasts or your butt get bigger. I don't know the science behind it, but I know that if you mix your olive oil and if you mix it with your Vaseline, you can get a bigger butt or a softer butt. So if your butt is too hard, it is not shaking well, it is too strong, and then you want it to be bouncy, go and get your Vaseline. So do you know that if you are massaging your butt or your boobs with Vaseline and olive oil, it can actually make it bigger? But this doesn't work for everybody, but at least 60% of people can testify to this. But the thing is that if you stop using it, it can return back to the usual set. So if you don't have money for BBL yet, you don't have money for the expensive supplements people sell, you can actually use the Vaseline and your olive oil. So this is how to use it. When you take your Vaseline in your hand, you're going to mix it with your olive oil. Then you're going to warm it up, then make sure you are massaging it upward, upward, upward. I also have a breast massage tutorial as well. Check out this video for a breast massage tutorial. That's the same way I'm also going to massage your butt. You're going to do a lot of blood circulation to make your butt actually look more hotter and more sexy. Other supplements you can also try out is fenugreek. So fenugreek can actually help as well. But if you try it, you're going to come back and thank me. And also, it's not only for bigger butts. As a girl, why is your bum bum hard? Are you a man? Your bum bum is not supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be jiggling and soft and sexy. Maca powder can also help with the widening of your butt and your hips. And make sure that when you are doing this, you have to do some squats. You have to do some squats. Without doing exercises, your butt will not come out. So make sure that you do some workouts. You do squats after you massage or before you massage. You can do like 100 squats a day, and you're actually going to see changes. When it's soft and it's bouncy, it's actually very nice. So if you know that your butt or karaka is strong, make sure that you use a Vaseline or any oil of your choice. You can get olive oil, shea butter, massage it every day, massage it on that butt, and trust me, it's going to get softer. Yes, it's going to get softer. Even me myself, I use Vaseline on my butt because I used to have some rashes on it, and then became a better sight. Also on my video, I also talk about you can use this Vaseline for chicken skin on your butt, all this reaction on your butt. You can check out that video here, and you're going to see everything about it. And also, if you have stretch mark on your butt, you can check out the video here. You're going to see everything about it. So this is just a very quick video to tell you guys that it actually works for some people. Make sure you are massaging, make sure you are doing your workout, make sure you are eating well, eat Greek yogurt, eat avocado. So if you know that you want to gain some pounds in your ass, make sure that avocado is in every food you eat. So every food you eat, avocado should be in it. Morning, afternoon, night, avocado should be in it. You have to eat healthy, eat a lot of Greek yogurt as well. So Greek yogurt, avocado, banana, and a lot of nuts would help to make that place bigger. Couple with some exercises and you would get results. Thank you. If you like this video, let me know so I'll make something like this more.